I've managed to obtain a new stem for the HMT watch, and what I did was I couldn't get an HMT stem because parts for these are pretty much impossible to find in the United States. There's the old broken stem. So what I did was I bought a stem for the citizen movement that this is based on. And it looks like it's going to be a perfect fit. I've screwed the HMT crown onto it just to see if the crown fits the threads, and it does. But this is too long. I'm going to have to cut it down to the proper size to fit this case, because these stems come way too long. That way you can fit them to any kind of case you're going to put them in. So we need to do that next. What I need to do is measure the old stem and see how long I need to cut the threads to. So I'm going to use my micrometer calipers here, and what I'm going to do, the old stem broke off right at that fat section there that divides the threads from the area where the pen from the stem retainer goes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure how long that section is. And it looks like we're at 0.299 inches. Now I need to get a caliper for metrics because most things we do in watch repair are measured in millimeters. But this will work fine for this because we're just comparing two things. If I know this is 0.299 inches, I can measure the other to 0.299 inches and it'll work. And for other things like measuring hairsprings and measuring the diameters of crystals, I just do the mathematical conversion from inches to millimeters until I'm able to get a new calipers, because a good metric caliper is a couple $100. And this one here was given to me and it works really well. It's a very, very accurate one. So now we need to take the old one, or take the new one, and I've got it stuck in a pen vise right now. I'm going to take it back out of the pen vise and measure out where I need to cut it. And I know that it needs to be 0.299 inches from the very back of this section here to wherever we're going to cut it on the threads. I just thought of an easier way to do this. I've got these positioned next to each other on a piece of Rodico, and I can just cut it right at the end of the shorter one, which is the broken one, and it should be the right length then. I cut the stem with a pair of cutting pliers to the right length, and then after that I took it on this diamond sharpening plate, which is for sharpening knives, and rotated it while moving it back and forth to kind of slightly bevel the ends of the stem. That way it would screw into the crown a little easier. There it is, the crown screwed right back on, so hopefully this is the right length. We'll try to insert this end of the watch now and see if it works. I've forgotten I need to take the back of the watch off before I can insert the stem, because I have to push the stem retaining screw inside the watch on the back of the movement. So I'm going to have to pop it off with a razor blade since it's a snap-on back, and then we can do this. I've got it in, and it's working. It winds the watch, and it turns if I pull it out, it sets into time setting mode. Problem is I've got it slightly too long, I think. See how it sticks out from the case a bit? I'm going to take the crown off and see if I can file it down just a tiny bit and then put the crown back on. Here we are. I think this is perfect. See there, it goes up against the case, but not so far that the crown scrapes against the case. And it's right now winding. See, it started to move the hands. Snaps out to time setting mode, back into winding mode, so everything's working. I need to polish the crystal on this, and I've got a new leather band for it, and it'll be ready to wear. The crystal had a lot of small scratches on it, and I managed to polish them all out with Polywatch. I didn't want to replace the crystal on this because it's kind of a unique crystal. It's different than any other I've seen. It's a high dome crystal with a perfectly flat top. And this seems to be something that HMT used for a lot of their watches, but I haven't been able to find these for sale anywhere, so I wanted to preserve the original crystal. And it polished out real nicely. I got rid of all the scratches. I cleaned up the case some. It had a lot of dirt and grime on it. Got a brand new nice leather strap on it. I've got the time set. It's ready to wear. And this watch is keeping really beautifully excellent time, so this is going to be a nice one to add to my collection.